Hey, I'm Tammy of GlamQueenofDIY, and in today's video, I am partnering with MEETYOO. For this collaboration, everyone, I am going to be showing you guys a thermal suit. Now, this thermal suit is very versatile and has many uses where you can use this almost across the board. Now, first of all, let me say that my package came super quickly, you guys. So they do have a quick turnaround time. Now we're just going to unbox it. I did order this thermal suit in the color purple. If you know, you know. Now, you guys, when I looked at their website, they had several different colors that you can choose from. They also have a man's version as well, but we're going to try this thing on. I want to tell you a lot about this thermal suit. I will be including their link down in my description. They do sell on Amazon. That link will be down there also, and I will also provide you with the link and all of the information to grab you one of these thermal suits. And like I say, they are truly multifunctional. Now, this thermal suit can be worn while you're skiing, playing outdoors in the snow, running, outdoor camping, mountaineering, outdoor work, for winter sports. You can wear it at home, and it is also used for fitness. Like I told you guys, this thermal suit is completely multifunctional. The material is lightweight, and the fabric does have a 4-way stretch design that gives you unrestricted movement, and it is long lasting. And one of the things that I loved about this suit was that elastic waistband. Now, you guys, this waistband, and I'm going to show it to you here in the video as well, but that waistband actually is made for it to fit various body types very comfortably. I did not have to worry about the roll or the budge with the outfit. You guys, I did wear this outfit for the whole day and exercise, did a little bit of different stuff in it just to see how comfortable it was, and it was extremely comfortable. And they did use a moisture wicking and odor control fabric that absorbs sweats. It also helps regulate your body temperature and keeps you dry and comfortable. Now, you guys, even with this on, you did not feel all of the elasticity in it, and I will tell you, it did keep me extremely warm. Now, they do have an advanced odor control technology that will help you stay fresh all day, no matter the occasion. You see I'm jumping around. I did wear this all day. It is made of polyester and spandex, and this offers exceptional insulation and flexibility. It did provide me with ultimate comfort and warmth, making it perfect for any everyday activity, you guys, and outdoor winter activities as well. It's super lightweight, and two, you guys, it can also be layered under everyday clothing or worn as loungewear at home, providing you extra warmth even on these cozy winter rainy days like it is here for me. But you can use this thermal anywhere. Now, here, you guys, is where I was showing you that elastic and that band in it. Now, I'm going to tell you, I did opt to make this my go-to for as my exercise and my fitness, because you know your girl is still trying to bounce back and get back to her normal healthy self. So, you guys, make sure you do check out MEETYOO. All of their information is down in the description. Thanks, MEETYOO, and I'll see you guys in another upcoming video.
Peace.